In this video, we'll demonstrate data read or write for the MAZDA Gen3 ECM. What you'll need: DC706 or KEYMASTER G3, high-power DC regulated power supply, main cable, ECU clone jumper, MP001 programmer, MAZDA Gen3 ECM. Make sure to update the software to the latest version before we get started. Tap the ECU Flasher software and select ECM. Enter the menu page and search for the module in the upper right corner to quickly find the corresponding option. Tap Guide and carefully read the warm reminder, menu description, operation guide, special notes, and connection methods. Select the appropriate adapter. Confirm that the module appearance is consistent by checking the ECU image. Tap Connector Pinout. Now refer to the wiring diagram to make the connection. After the connection is successful, first back up the original EEPROM or flash data. You can customize the file name, and the saving path, along with operation records, will be displayed on the left side. Now we'll show how to write data to the module. The file management has been upgraded, now supporting file filtering by file name, modification time, or file size. The CS label in the upper right corner of the right button indicates that this data supports checksum verification. Operation completed. Thanks for watching.